welcome back to my channel. Today I went thrifting, and with one goal. I'm looking for old, worn,
really cute Levi denim. On Pinterest, I've seen so many cute pictures of people transforming
old men's jeans
into really cute cropped shorts. So I live somewhere where it's very, very hot, and we don't really get a fall or a winter, maybe for like a week out of the entire year. So I can honestly wear these all year round. I did find one pair that is really cute. I found these in the men's section. Always go to the men's section because you want them to be a little bit oversized and high-waisted. So I found these. I'm a 24 waist. I'm sorry, I wish. I am a 28 waist, and I really love the color. Perfect whitewash. Love. Okay, as I was trying to say before my mouth and brain failed me, I really love the color, but I'm like 8 feet tall, so I have a really hard time finding the right length, especially at a thrift store where what you see is what you get. So with that being said, I'm going to try them on. I'm going to mark them with chalk to kind of see where I want, how short I want them to be. And you always want to cut a little bit longer than you think you want them, because it's better to have a little bit more fabric to work with than to be screwed.
Okay, so here they are on before I've done anything to them. As you can see, they're basically high waters on me. So I'm getting ready to mark where I want to cut them. And like I said before, mark a little bit below and give yourself some leeway. So you have a little bit to work with. So mom jeans are a total trend right now. I went on brandymelville.com and these look almost identical. I just wish they were long enough and I would keep them as mom jeans, but they're gonna look really cute cut as well. Okay, so right here, I'm just taking a little bit from the front and the back. I did like them at the longer length, but I wanted them to be just a little bit shorter because I knew I wanted to distress this pair.
All right, I am almost done. I have cut them and frayed them slightly at the bottoms. It'll look better once you wash them, and you'll see like the final effect once you throw them in the wash. They'll look better. The last thing I want to do is add like a little peekaboo hole right here. All right, so last step. I'm gonna practice on the leg that isn't needed. Put a piece of cardboard that you have laying around your house in between the layers so that when you go with your scissors to scratch through, it doesn't, you know, make a hole through both.
Ideally, you would want to use like an X-Acto knife or box cutter for this, but no one puts things back where they go now, so I'm just going to use scissors.
Alright you guys, so here is the finished product. I'm very happy with them for only spending $7 and just putting a little bit of time into them. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments if you would like another thrift video in the future.